Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Muhammad Dafa Dirgantara. Here I will discuss the architecture of the Sydney Opera House. Sydney Opera House, inaugurated in 1973, the Sydney Opera House is a great architectural work of the 20th century that brings together multiple strands of creativity and innovation in both architectural form and structural design. A great urban sculpture set in a remarkable waterscape at the tip of a peninsula projecting into Sydney Harbour. The building has had an enduring influence on architecture. The Sydney Opera House comprises three groups of interlocking vaults which roof two main performance halls and a restaurant. Seal structures are set upon a vast platform and are surrounded by terrace area that function as pedestrian concourses. In 1957, when the project of the Sydney Opera House was awarded by an international jury to Danish architect John Utzon, it marked a radically new approach to construction. The Sydney Opera House constitutes a masterpiece of 20th century architecture. Its significance is based on its unparalleled design and construction, its exceptional engineering achievement and technological innovation, and its position as world-famous icon of architecture. It is a daring and visionary experiment that has had an enduring influence on the emergent architecture of the late 20th century. Utzon's original design concept and his unique approach to building gave impetus to a collective creativity of architects, engineers, and builders. Of approved engineer achievement helped make Utzon's vision a reality. The design represents an extraordinary interpretation and response to the setting in Sydney Harbour. The Sydney Opera House is also of standing universal value for its achievement in structural engineering and building technology. The building is a great artistic monument and icon, all elements necessary to express the value of the Sydney Opera House are included within the boundaries of the nomination area and buffer zone. This ensures the complete representation of its significance as an architectural object of great beauty in its waterscape setting. The Sydney Opera House continues to perform its function as a world-class performing arts center. The conservation plan specifies the need to balance the roles of the building as an architectural monument and as a state-of-the-art performing center, thus retaining its authenticity of use and function. Attention given to retaining the building's authenticity culmination with the conservation plan and the Utzon design principles. The Sydney Opera House was included in the National Heritage List in 2005 under the Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999. and on the State Heritage Register of New South Wales in 2003 under the Heritage Act 1977. Listing in the National Heritage List implies that any proposed action to be taken inside or outside the boundaries of a national heritage place or a world heritage property that may have a significant impact on the heritage values is prohibited without the approval of the Minister for the Environment and Heritage. A buffer zone has been established. The present state of conservation is very good. The property is maintained and preserved through regular and rigorous repair and conservation program. The management system of the Sydney Opera House takes into account a wide range of measures profit under planning and heritage legislation and policy of both the Australian government and the New South Wales government. The management plan for the Sydney Opera House, the conservation plan, and the ozone design principles together provide the policy framework for the conservation and management of the Sydney Opera House.